BMS School Koilamati felicitates successful HSLC candidates. UDFS extends gratitude for the support they had received in Karbianglong Autonomous Council elections 2022. Jintong BJP Mandal Committee expresses gratitude to BJP High Command. Hello and welcome to Karbianglong Live, Voice of Karbianglong. This is English Prime Time. Now the news in details. Koilamati's Presbyterian Mission English School had on Tuesday organized an event to felicitate all those students who had passed HSLC examination 2022 from the school. Altogether, 24 candidates sat for the HSLC exam this year, and all of them have come out successful. Of them, 5 have secured first division, 18 have passed with second division, and 1 passed with third division. Jonathan Lalmingta scored letter marks in English and social science, while Mukrang Kro secured letter mark in social science. All the successful candidates were felicitated by the school in the presence of all the teachers as well as junior students. The headmaster had appreciated the students' effort to pass the exam and wished them good luck for their higher studies and future. BMS School Koilamati is one of the best private institutes in the locality, and students from near and far comes to Koilamati to study here. It had immensely contributed towards raising the literacy rate in this rural part of Karbi Anglong.
Into Madak Presbyterian English High School, Thanbang Don Lapen School, Charlie Somart on, I think that's the me, and I'm going to Jolo. Silabangso School established like in 1989 penlo, Lapen Metric Talk Cheng, Labangso School of Banket 2014, Lapen Nili Methamalo, Nilmetang Stami Daxi. Charlie Lo, KG1 pen, class 10 and Pijulo, Lapen Metric Talking, first best to me, Militum Hello, Sinon 2014 pen non 2022 and Kanbang Metric Sadlang exam results to me, Ladaban case 10%, 100% see, and Kanbang to me result long pon bomlo. Teacher Atum Katan Chipeduk, Lapen student on Summit Pidulo, Lapen Ladak, parents Atum Sumi, Sumaraton upon Nanchikardon Pig. Charlie upon board ipik lasika dogobe kachipiduk rapet nanjok sipini ans teme result bangke akimi longpon bomlo.
The school was set up in the year 1989, and the first batch of HSLC candidates came up in 2014. Since then, the school has maintained a very good record in the board examination.
Pining lake usomar candidate bangko rapido lasila bang suang bong pen first division bang trok chipi unlo lapen second division along bang pretroxy lapen third along inut lasi ningarong lo la kadoka ve pipo tumtame usomar tumaphan apora teng pen school nang kipidun thek lapen kenangji aling along usomar aphan kipidor don thek pena joksi lapuson Koilamati angkang pi aphan telakar danglong arada tumaphan sami isi nongme asonsi nilitum thek manong lo.
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbianglong Live. The United Democratic Front of Sarupathar, UDFS leaders had extended their gratitude to all its supporters for the love they have shown to the organization in the recently concluded Karbianglong Autonomous Council election. This statement was made during a press meet held on Tuesday evening at Delaujan. The press meet was chaired by UDFS Chief Simeon Rongpar, who had contested in the Karbianglong Autonomous Council election as an independent candidate from Sarupathar constituency. However, he was defeated by the BJP candidate Kadom Terangpi by a very small margin of 196 votes. During the press briefing, Simeon Rongpar said that the circumstance in which had been defeated is very doubtful and alleged that BJP had won the election through unfair means. Nevertheless, his team accepts the people's mandate and urged the victorious candidate to see after the proper development of the constituency.
Labangso election along, itum ingtang rakpen kachusong. UDFS along advisor atum conveners atum joint conveners atum lapen polling station along president secretary pen cheng lok klem bang klem bang pido ana tum hada minili lapang so a media hoi pen la kiro pon lo press meet pen tum jasemet pet none phong surubuthara farman jitu kachepa hai pon ake hai pi sangpi ka dom terang pi phansami tum hin ben best wishes pidun lo.
Rongpar thanked every individual who helped him in the election and said that UDFS will continue to work for the people of Sarupathar.
Ni tumalong nonta Surubathar United Democratic Front of Surubathar long ken tu nonta me conveners do an John conveners do an itum bin dak tong pe advisor do an itum bin tong pe nonta ni tum da bang pharoni ke thom ni tum leader tum dak do si ka dog beta itum ning che thesoro lo nili phanda nili long klemna pe to nili phanda ning ke the dolo nili jame alang tum ning ke the dolo la pen ke bang lang port ame tum ek live siri tum ta bang ke che song pon.
Anand Terang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Extending greetings to people of Chintong, MEC constituency, Chintong BJP Mandal Committee during a press conference held at Rongjangpong on Tuesday expressed their gratitude to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang and Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Assam Pradesh President, Secretaries and West Karbi Anglong President Radip Ronghang for its effort to make the electoral process more vibrant and participative. Here is a report. Chintong BJP Mandal Committee had acknowledged that due to great contribution of the party high command, their candidate Avijit Crow has been elected as MEC from Chintong constituency. Avijit Crow is the grandson of former Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Sarsing Bongru, and he holds a record of the youngest elected MEC in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election.
Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma lapen ke Assam Pradesh BJP President Kandang Secretary aghayatum lapen ke RSS aghayatum stame Dr. Tuliram Ronghang kamathalong pachi London si diri tumaphan akimi mate yang candidate sinang toilo plus diri tum badak Chintong habarban stame kyongdung abut kapahaidun ke diri tum akisung pen nang piyok imene diri tum akisung nai ke towar hello ek number lo lapan ke border area.
The ruling BJP on Sunday secured a clean sweep in the 26th seat of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election 2022. The main opposition Congress and APHLC this time could not open its account in the council elections, which were held after a gap of 5 years.
Kaddu ko bedak Chintong arap purkha korte lapen ke khasia korte nilitum korte bangke thong chirap pet pen sila bangsu tarik krehiniar ni bangke ang tek mission pen peklang longlo ilitum asiam rong hangsar na pin khat pona teng pen sinilitum klem ponji atheke nilitum aphan kisung kiduk nang chini towar melang pendang lo tura ulang dupik lang ke klem nang alang Chintong along ke punang chini pen alangli nilitum aphan labang so awar sai nang ke piapot la ke ning tenion elo Chintong arat penta.
The press conference was attended by Chintong BJP Mandal Committee Samson Rongpar, Bronson Rongpar and Dorsing Hanse. Himari Rongpar's report from Ulukunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.